And if we could just compare financial planning to baking a cake, can you break down the ingredients that go into a financial plan?
If you ever tasted a very good piece of cake, I love cake. And if you've ever tasted a really good piece of cake, you understand that whoever made it is now excited about the ingredients that went into that cake. It's not just sugar, it's just not flour. They're telling you about everything, how everything was handpicked. I bought this here, I bought this here.
Mm-hmm.
And you realize the attention that went into the ingredients of that. Your financial plan is really no different. You want good quality ingredients that are building the foundation of your financial plan. And really, the income plan is a byproduct of the financial plan. We're putting in all of your goals and objectives. We're understanding what your lifestyle has to look like, feel like, be like. We understand the cost of it. And now all of a sudden we go to the income plan and we say, okay, based on your lifestyle, all the ingredients that you wanted into the financial plan, now all of a sudden we're creating this income plan. And then along comes the investments. Purpose determines placement. Now that we understand the purpose of your life, we understand the purpose of your money, we understand the amount of money that you have to spend, now all of a sudden we can build a portfolio. But Cynthia, how many times have you heard that people have gone into an advisor's office, they're sold a product,
Yes.
a tool, an investment, and all of a sudden a year later they're like, well, I don't really know what I'm doing.
Yes.
And many times people will come into our office and they say, Eric, we have this product, we have this tool. We don't understand what it is. We don't understand the income that we can take out of it. Now we're concerned about market volatility. We're concerned about inflation. We don't know where we are. So understand that now we have to go back to the beginning and start all over and actually put them through that process. But that's what people are craving today. They want somebody who is actually listening to them. They're putting them through a process. They hear them, and they're actually responding to their financial needs.
Eric, thank you.